Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, Chief Appreciation Strategist at Grategy, right here in beautiful Cleveland, Ohio. So excited to be presenting two programs at the ABC National Convention coming up on March 25th in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Now, you can come to both programs because there'll be very little, if any, overlap. From 1 o'clock to 2:15, I'll be doing a session called Mastering the Millennial Mindset. These are strategies to really help the four active generations in the workplace to play nice with each other, to understand how each other is wired, and to create the connections we need to create a culture that works, no matter who you have working for you. And then from 2:45 to 4, I'll be doing my Sweat the Small Stuff program, how attention to detail helps you create a culture that rocks. Now, I'm from Cleveland, Ohio, rock and roll capital of the world. So when I can create a culture that rocks, you know it's coming from the right place. You'll walk out of either session with tips, tools, ideas, and strategies that you can use immediately to keep your top talent from becoming someone else's. I'm Lisa Ryan, and I will see you in Nashville.